English phrases explained, in a jumble. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, in a jumble. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, understanding such phrases can really amp up your language skills. So, let's untangle this phrase together. The phrase, in a jumble, is used to describe a situation where things are mixed up, disorganized, or in a state of confusion. It can refer to physical objects being in a disorderly pile or someone's thoughts being all over the place. For example, if your desk is cluttered with books, papers, and pens all scattered around, you can say, "My desk is in a jumble." Interestingly, the word jumble dates back to the late Middle Ages, initially referring to a mixture or a medley. Over time, it evolved to describe a state of disorder or confusion. Knowing the origin of such phrases can make them easier to remember and use correctly. Let's put this phrase into action. Here are some examples. 1. After the party, the entire house was in a jumble. 2. I can't find my keys, they're somewhere in this jumble of stuff in my drawer. 3. When she asked me the question, my thoughts were in a jumble, and I couldn't answer properly. There are several phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, in disarray, all over the place, in a mess. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and give you more ways to express the same idea. That's in a jumble for you. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence. Remember, learning such expressions can really add flavor to your English conversations. Stay tuned for more such explorations into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.